Good morning. I'm now going to take a 15-minute walk to Harris Teeter supermarket just to experience the nice morning weather here in Florence, South Carolina. There's Piedmont flying. That's the first flight at 7:30 a.m. The next flight will be at 2 p.m. Wow, check Krispy Kreme donuts. The drive-through lane is so long, it's almost at the main road. People just love Krispy Kreme. You can buy all types of donuts here and pick it up. That's the morning rush. They love their coffee and donuts. The supermarket is just a quick walk down this way. Here's that funny 6-way intersection. I don't even know which way I can go as a pedestrian. There's no markings this way. There's no markings this way. I might have to just run across the street when there's a clear chance, like right now. Alright, I think I'm safe. They didn't make this intersection pedestrian friendly at all. Harris Teeter, your neighborhood food market. It's a local supermarket chain. To further support physical distancing, the maximum number of customers' capacity has been reduced to 20%. Morning.
Morning.
20%, wow. It's gonna be almost empty then. I need a lemon, so I'm gonna get one. I think I'll get this one. Here's a good vantage point of these 6 roads. Here's the Palmetto First Federal Credit Union. They have a caboose as one of their signs. That was my outing. I got my little breakfast, couple fruits, and I'm gonna have lemon juice now. I bought this organic Honeycrisp apple. It's so big that it covers my whole hand. I'm gonna apply at Naked and Afraid, so I'm gonna test out what kind of food I can eat. What do you think I can eat, Nick?
Well, you can eat like animals do. You can eat grass.
Yeah?
And it has a white part in it, right there. The white part.
Oh, okay. So I can eat the white part of the grass?
Yeah.
Or any plant that you can pull out from the ground?
Yep.
Okay.
They still have all the calcium and all the vitamins and sugars.
Oh, that's good. I can also eat this clover.
Yeah. Kenny don't have any chemicals here, so it's...
And the dandelion leaves too.
Right.
Alright, I'll make my introduction.
He's been on the Himalaya, Mount Everest, he went to North Pole, he went to south part of the earth in Argentina. I mean, every single country he's been to, right? And he did it all on the cheapest budget person can do, right? Have you seen this on Discovery Channel called Naked and Afraid, the show?
Right.
Where they one naked woman, one naked man, and they survive like for 14 days or 21 days or 40 days, right?
Right.
We're gonna make an introduction for him. We're gonna send it in.
I have positive notes. I think he's gonna get it.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Jay gonna read it to you what he wrote about himself. Okay, go ahead, Jay.
Okay, I'm gonna say, my name is Jason Dudas from Las Vegas. I know how to make fire and build shelter, and I'm also a vegan. I'm a big fan of your show, Naked and Afraid. I want to challenge myself, and I know I can do it. In the last 14 years, I've traveled to every country on this planet. I became an expert for survival in any situation, so I can call myself a survivalist. I'm adapted to any environment, from Barrow, Alaska to Ushuaia, Argentina, and from Mount Everest Base Camp to Tuvalu in the South Pacific. I enrolled in survival training and completed it when I was a bush pilot in Alaska. There's no environment on this planet that I haven't been exposed to, and I'm looking forward to the challenge, and I want to discover what nature has in store for me.
How about that, Kenny?
There's no question in my mind you will get it.
See? It's pretty convincing, don't you think, Kenny?
Oh, yeah.
So to choose him as a candidate. Alright, Kenny, well, we're gonna make a video. I'll send it to you.
All right.
Okay, bye. Okay. I wanna send the video because Elena said, hey, I wanna see Jay. Show me a little video. Let's say hi, Elena.
Hi Elena, this is Jason. I'm here in Florence, South Carolina. We're gonna start on our road trip pretty soon up to New York.
Alright. What's the name of your website, Jay? How do you go on YouTube?
Jason Dudas.
Jason Dudas, Afghanistan. I just put Jason Dudas in Afghanistan.
Alright, day 4.
Show me the way to the Harris Teeter.
Before we start our trip, we need to buy a few food items so we don't starve on our trip.
Yeah.
How many hours will it take us to Washington?
6 hours.
So half a day. We're gonna take I-95. We made it to Enterprise. We're gonna pick up a rental car here and drive it up to Washington tonight.
This back there, the Jeep.
Oh, no man, I got bags.
So you rather have something else?
Yeah, I need something else because I got lots of bags.
Okay. All right, no problem. Give me 1 second.
We didn't expect a Jeep, huh?
No, I didn't get it. I don't want it. Plus, look, it has a small room.
There's even a pickup on the back.
Yeah.
This is our second option, the Dodge Crossroad.
All right, so what we're gonna do is do a walk around. We look for a stretch, longer than a dollar bill, and a dent bigger than a golf ball. Okay.
All right, thanks a lot, man.
All right, man. You have a nice day.
Take care.
All right.
Here's my bag. Right, our journey starts now northward on I-95. Right now it's 11:30. I've got to deliver this car to JFK by 12 p.m. tomorrow. It's only a one-day rental. All right. How much is gas here?
$1.67. And it's getting hot. We get air conditioning.
Oh man, you touched the button. Let me clean that. Restaurant. It's called Pedro's Mexican Shop, south of the border. They have great food, great fireworks, and it's like a mini mall here. Everything to do with Mexican stuff.
Right on. And look at Jay over there. What's Jay doing? What's Jay boy doing?
I want to come visit you up in Alaska.
Yeah, good luck with that. Make sure you bring a tent.
Okay, I'll bring my tent and sleeping bag.
You come to Bethel, they're liable to skin you out because you came up with the disease.
I'll check the rules first before I come up.
Yeah, you're something else. What are you doing? I thought you were working.
No, I'm just semi-retired now.
I heard you're getting married.
Yeah, next year I'm getting married.
Yeah, is this like a arranged marriage? Did you trade a bunch of goats and sheep from some freaking country that you inherited because they adopted you or something? Is this the dollar wife?
Yeah, she's gonna be a dollar wife.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, what's up with the shaved head? Did you just decide to go bald?
Yeah.
No, he's saving money on haircut because no haircut salons open.
Oh yeah, that's so you just shaved your head.
Yeah, I was getting really shaggy hair and no barbershops are open because of quarantine season, and so then I decided that I might as well shave my hair. I'll be good for 4 months.
That sounds like Dollar J. I'd expect no less. You probably borrowed the shaver too.
I borrowed it from my parents.
Oh, of course. Well, they owe you anyway.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just taking it easy. I decided to semi-retire and enjoy life while I'm still young.
And then you'll work when you get old.
There's a show called Naked and Afraid.
Yes.
Jay is going for it.
Oh, when?
Well, we'll see when they call him back, but he already been chosen, so they can let him know, and he will let us know so we can watch him naked now.
No, that's too funny. Is that really gonna happen, Jay?
Yes.
Yeah, I made my video and I submitted it, and they're gonna review it. And I told them I visited all the countries, and I'm a survivalist, you know?
I agree you are, Jay, and I don't think you have a problem being naked, but you'll never be welcome back in the Arab world, because they'll be calling you the boy with a nice ass.
Oh man, that's not good. They might have a bounty on me?
Well, they will by the time you get done with Naked and Afraid. Whatever you do, grow a beard. Make sure you grow a full beard.
Oh, okay, I'll grow a full beard before I get on the show.
Yes, make sure. When will you know?
Oh, in a couple weeks from now, you know, they're gonna tell me if I'm gonna go for 14 days, 21 days, or 40 days.
I'll bet they pick you for the 40 days.
I'm sure I can survive too.
Oh, I have no doubt you can survive. It's just whether or not you can survive all the bug bites.
Oh, they give options if you want a mosquito net, a machete, or a fire maker, or a compass, or a map.
I would take a fire maker. No, I'd take a machete.
What about the mosquito net?
Yeah, that's true. The machete might be the ideal thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna research this so I get the right equipment.
I think you're a perfect candidate for that. What made you think of that?
Oh, Nick suggested it last night.
And so you got online? He's right on about that.
Yeah, I went to their application form, I filled out everything, and I made my 1-minute video, and I'm gonna post it tonight.
Oh, I think you'd be perfect for it, man.
Yeah, because I can survive really easily. I can control my hunger. As long as I get enough water, I'm good to go.
Okay, I gotta call you back.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
Take care. Bye-bye. We just stopped at the Cumberland County Rest Area to take a break. Hey, how are you? All right, I'm ready to go. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Oh.
I'm hot. Let's see.
Come on, Jay, we need to drive, Jay. Come on.
I want to listen to the radio.
Man, what are you doing, man?
Let me see what stations there are. Oh, let me adjust my mirror. Okay, let's go. Now we're on the way again. What's a good safety feature of driving, you think?
Stopping every hour and a half, take a break, stretch your legs, take some to eat.
Wow, that's amazing. We were talking about Terry and then he called all of a sudden.
Yeah, man.
That's what you call telepathy right there.
I hope he doesn't have a microphone here or he's monitoring us.
I thought with coronavirus there would be no traffic.
I think maybe it's the checkpoint to Virginia.
Oh, bumper to bumper traffic.
If it's a checkpoint, it's so stupid because we can take alternative road and just pass to Virginia from the other small road, you know?
Look at all this traffic.
Is that what you call quarantine in America? Look, you can't even drive parking lot.
I think they got stir crazy and they started to take road trips across the US.
Do you know the first signs of the coronavirus?
What?
Your butt starts itching and you feel like you need to go somewhere. So this is, you already have coronavirus.
How's your cabbage?
That's good.
What's that gonna help you do?
Keep my alkaline level high.
Okay, I'll get some cabbage tomorrow. We're making a detour in Pine Level, North Carolina. There was so much traffic on that highway, we just had to get away from it. So with the new rule that Nick made of stopping every 2 hours, we had to stop at this rest area. This one's the I-95 Nash County rest area. We're making our way slowly up the East Coast. Can we pick up hitchhikers if we see any?
No.
No?
Where are you gonna put them?
There's no space, huh?
No, but you don't know, maybe they're sick. What are you talking about? Maybe they got virus, yeah?
We could talk to them beforehand, ask them if they're sick.
Well, how did you know? Maybe they have virus and they have no symptoms. They don't even know. Still, if he has a virus, he wouldn't tell us because he needs to go somewhere. He will lie.
Alright, we'll see.
Alright.
You think we'll see any though? No? I don't think so either. The police just stopped someone. This guy got a ticket. Now a truck got stopped. The truck might have been speeding. Here he is. We made it to Virginia. I'm in North Carolina. I'm gonna step across into Virginia. I'm officially in Virginia now, on our way northbound. Welcome to Virginia, and welcome to North Carolina state line. We're driving through this nice area. All of a sudden we see McDonald's. No one's allowed to park inside the park to go jogging and walking, so they all have to park next to the road here. That's why there's hundreds of cars here. We're just arriving at Fairfax, Virginia. The park's closed for cars, but you can still walk through there. We arrived at the Holiday Inn now, so we're gonna check in. This door will remain locked at all times. For ones with reservations, you'll need to provide your name to enter the building. Wow, it's really strict. This is the hot zone, isn't it? Yeah. Hi.
Good.
I'll turn the lights on.
I got this, right? I got this guy. You're gonna make a fun of me, huh?
Oh, we're doing a good job.
Where's the remote control? It's most important. How about here? By the time we get all the bags in, we'll be fine.
Okay.
Refrigerator. That's enough.
Alright, I'll put my luggage here since I'll be leaving first.